nervous when I was told that there was going to be a film about our experience in the Euros, because that's taking me and people in my industry right out of our comfort zone. But these two guys together, they've absolutely nailed it. They really have. And we watched it on Monday night. I watched it with most of the team and the staff, and a lot of the guys here tonight who haven't seen it, you really enjoy it. Finally, put a smile on your face from the Welsh soccer team. So enjoy yourselves, and thanks for your support. Thank you.